What's up, guys? I hope you're having a good day. We're on our way to a car meet, and we thought we'd slap these on real quick before we go. Some ricer sticks. It's goodies. So they're gonna be like this, or however you want.
It's about to be a good day.
Hey. So we're about to slap these on real quick before we go to the car meet. So we'll do that in fast motion. Oh yeah, coming up, we're gonna put a new exhaust on his car. Man, look at those ricer sticks. How do you feel about them?
I feel like it's added like 20 more horsepower. We're about to go check.
Definitely. Alright, so we're on our way to meet up with some of our friends so that we can head out to San Jose. But right now we're in Dublin and we're almost there to meet up with them. So they got some nice cars. This guy just got a new bumper and stuff.
Get off that face, mine.
Hey, that's dope. Alright, so we're on our way to San Jose. Hey, that ride. We might stop a couple times. Alright, so we just stopped at our first spot. We're gonna head to the next spot after this in San Jose. Right now I think we're in, where are we at?
I'm not sure. Dublin, passing Dublin.
Yeah, I think we're just past Dublin. So.
Yeah, hopefully the car meet gets fat, you know?
Yeah, we can take. Alright, so we just got here. We're gonna go get some food and then I'll show you guys some shots with the cars. guys liked the video. I had a lot of fun. Sorry for the quality in the last couple clips. I was using my phone because my camera battery died. So let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.